Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're talking about the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Extreme MAX cordless stick vacuum. This model promises a lot, especially when it comes to handling home and pet hair. With its anti-tangle beater bar, cyclonic filtration, and a solid 20-volt max power connect system, there's quite a bit to unpack here. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or everyday dirt, let's see if this vacuum has what it takes to make cleaning a little easier. The BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Extreme MAX is a cordless stick vacuum designed with convenience in mind. At its core, it features the anti-tangle beater bar that helps reduce hair wrap, something that many pet owners will appreciate. This feature aims to make the process of cleaning up pet hair a bit more hassle-free. It also has a cyclonic filtration system that's designed to keep the filter clean, helping maintain consistent suction. The vacuum comes with a removable 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, which is part of the BLACK+DECKER Power Connect system. This allows you to swap batteries with other BLACK+DECKER tools, giving you more versatility for your home improvement tasks. When it comes to runtime, this vacuum gives you up to 42 minutes in hand vac mode on a single charge, assuming you're using it on the lower speed setting. In hand vac mode, it's perfect for smaller cleanups, especially for quick cleaning sessions around the house or the car. The vacuum is equipped with LED headlights, which help illuminate hidden dirt, making it easier to spot dust and debris in dimly lit corners or under furniture. The vacuum is self-standing, which is a great feature if you're limited on storage space or want to avoid leaning it against a wall. No need to worry about it tipping over. Plus, the easy-to-remove beater bar makes maintenance simpler, allowing you to quickly clear any hair or debris that might get stuck. Now, let's talk about how this vacuum performs in real-world scenarios. First off, setting it up is a breeze. The vacuum is lightweight, so it's easy to handle and maneuver, whether you're cleaning your floors or tackling high-up places. I tested it on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors, area rugs, and carpets, and found that it had no trouble picking up dirt and dust. On hardwood floors, the suction is pretty consistent, leaving the floor clean without much effort. When moving to thicker carpets, it struggled a little with embedded dirt, but it performed well enough for light and medium cleaning sessions. As for pet hair, this vacuum is definitely up to the task, thanks to that anti-tangle beater bar, which keeps long hair from wrapping around the brush and causing blockages. The attachments are simple but effective. The vacuum does well with upholstery and stairs, especially when using the hand vac mode. I also gave it a try on my car's interior, and it did a decent job cleaning up crumbs and debris, though it's not as powerful as larger, more dedicated handheld vacuums for that purpose. Another thing I noticed is how easy it is to empty the dustbin, which is always a big plus with stick vacuums. There's no awkward twisting or pulling, just a simple press of a button. When it comes to long hair, the vacuum does a great job, and I didn't notice any tangling or clogging in the beater bar, which is definitely a relief. In terms of noise, the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Extreme MAX operates at a moderate level, so it's not silent, but it's certainly quieter than some heavier-duty vacuums out there. The noise won't be a deal breaker for most people, but if you're sensitive to loud vacuums, it might be something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the vacuum is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around, especially for quick cleanups. The anti-tangle beater bar is a standout feature for pet owners, as it really helps with hair management. The runtime of 42 minutes is decent, and the LED headlights are a small but useful touch. I also appreciate that it's self-standing, as it makes storage hassle-free. On the downside, while the suction power is decent, it may not be powerful enough for deep cleaning, especially on thick carpets. If you're looking for a vacuum to tackle heavy-duty messes or deep clean large carpeted areas, this might not be your best option. As for value for money, the BLACK+DECKER POWERSERIES Extreme MAX is priced competitively within its category. It's not the cheapest stick vacuum out there, but you're getting a lot of convenience for the price. The anti-tangle beater bar, cyclonic filtration, and the Power Connect system add a layer of versatility that you might not find in cheaper models. If you have hardwood floors or low-pile carpets and need a vacuum that can handle everyday messes, this is a solid option. But if you have larger carpets or need more suction power for heavy cleaning, you might want to look elsewhere. In this price range, there are alternatives like the Dyson V8 or the Shark Rocket that could offer stronger performance, especially on carpets. In terms of build quality, the vacuum feels solid, with good attention to detail in the design. The plastics are sturdy, and the joints and connectors don't feel flimsy. The dustbin is easy to remove and empty, and the beater bar is simple to clean. Maintenance is straightforward, and BLACK+DECKER seems to have designed this vacuum with user-friendliness in mind. If you've used other stick vacuums, you'll appreciate how easy it is to maintain. As for long-term reliability, the fact that it's backed by a solid brand reputation like BLACK+DECKER means you can expect decent durability. But of course, time will tell. If you do need customer support, BLACK+DECKER generally has a good reputation for after-sales service. In my experience, they are responsive and helpful when issues arise, so you shouldn't have much trouble if something goes wrong. To sum up, the BLACK+DECKER PowerSeries Extreme MAX cordless stick vacuum is a great option for smaller homes, apartments, or places with hard floors and low-pile carpets. It's lightweight, easy to use, and does a good job with everyday cleaning tasks. However, if you're looking for something with more power for deep cleaning or heavy-duty carpet jobs, this might not be the best fit. Overall, it offers great value for the price, especially if you're focused on cleaning pet hair and need something that's easy to maintain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for the product link. If you already own this vacuum, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep it clean with Reviewsinside TV. You'll never know what's hiding under your couch.